Python while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly in a loop based on a given Boolean condition. The loop runs as long as the condition evaluates to true. If the condition is false, then the loop breaks. This is the syntax of while loop in Python. It starts with a while keyword, followed by a condition. The condition should evaluate to a Boolean value of true or false. Inside the while block, there should be a code block with required indentation. Start of while loop. First, the condition is checked. Let us assume that the condition is true. The code block executes. The condition is checked again. Let us assume that the condition is true again. The code block executes. The condition is checked again. Let us assume that the condition has become false. Now, the program control comes out of the loop and ends the while loop. End of while loop. Let us write a while loop that prints hello world 5 times. Initialize a variable, count, with 1. Write while loop. The condition is to check if count is less than or equal to 5. Inside the while loop, print hello world string. And increment count by 1. Save and run the program. Let us write a while loop that prints numbers from 1 to 5. Initialize a variable, count, with 1. Write while loop. The condition is to check if count is less than or equal to 5. Inside the while loop, print count value. And increment count by 1. Save and run the program. Let us write a while loop that finds the sum of first 5 natural numbers. Initialize a variable, count, with 1, and another variable, sum, with 0. Write while loop. The condition is to check if count is less than or equal to 5. Inside while loop, add count value to the sum. And increment count by 1. After the while loop, print the sum to output. Save and run the program. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.